So you've been thinking about trying out marketing using Facebook and Instagram, the biggest social media platforms on the planet. Great choice. There's a lot of success to have on these platforms with their massive user base and reach. The only problem is creating a digital ad campaign can be a nightmare. Let's show you how fast and easy this is with AdPuzl. First, we'll pick a goal for your ad campaign. This includes engagement, traffic, and reach, each of which will help you focus on what you want to accomplish with your ad. Next, you'll want to fill out your ad, starting with the ad text highlighting your product or service, your image, a link to your website or landing page, your ad description, which is the most important part of your ad text, and your ad headline, which is highlighting your offer. Don't forget a strong call to action. Next, choose the Facebook page you want to set your ads up on. We can also choose locations and targeting options like demographics, interests, or behaviors, our target age group and gender, as well as our budget when it comes to running our ads. As we choose our filters, we'll see our reach adjust on the top panel. After you're satisfied with your ad, you can confirm and book your ad to send it live, where users will be able to engage with your brand via a fresh new ad. And that's all there is to it. Congratulations on your ad going live. Check out adpuzl.com and follow these steps to start engaging and converting your customers today. We have a link in the description for our audience, and if you found this video useful, let us know in the comments. For more on digital marketing and building your online presence, make sure you're subscribed with notifications so you don't miss our updates.